Hello juniors, here is last week's IAG assignment. I apologize. I'm going to do this in two videos, one video for number 1 and one video for number 2, simply because there's not a lot of space for me to show my work, and that way you guys can see everything that you need. So if you look at number 1, it says find the total wallpaper cost, including a border around the ceiling. So you are going to need your information from, I believe it is assignment 8, it might be assignment 7, but I think it's 8, where you calculated the square footage of all of your walls, your floor, and your ceiling. What you're going to do is you're going to find the total square footage of your walls. So I had 2 walls that are 16 feet wide and 7.5 feet tall, which makes them 120 square feet. I have 2 walls that are 20 feet 9 inches, which is 20.75, and 7.5 feet tall. That makes them a very awkward 155.625 for both of them. And if you throw that into your calculator, you are going to get something like 551, but let me double check. 240 plus 155.625 plus 155.625, you get 551.25. So that is the total square footage for my bedroom. Obviously, your walls are different sizes than mine, but that's how you do that. Then it says for Roman numeral I, it says you need 1 roll of paper for every 30 square feet. So I need X rolls for 551.25 square feet. That's a really weird F, but whatever. And that equals 1 roll for 30 square feet. So when you cross multiply, you're going to get 30x equals your total square footage. Divide by 30. And then you're going to get how many rolls you need. I got 18.375. I cannot purchase 0.375 of a roll, so I need 19 rolls. Okay, so we're done with Roman numeral 1. Roman numeral 2 says subtract 1/2 of a roll for every door or window in your bedroom. In my bedroom, I have 2 doors and 1 very large window, but it does not say anything about the size of my window, so I have 3. So we're going to do negative 1/2 for every door or window. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's minus 1.5. So 19 rolls minus 1.5 gives me 17.5 rolls. Again, you cannot purchase a fraction of a roll, so I will have to buy 18 rolls for my room. 18 rolls. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a little chart here. Wallpaper. How many rolls? I just discovered I need 18 rolls. It tells me up here that they are $21.99 per single roll. So I'm going to come back here. 18 times $21.99 is going to give me, sorry, I typed that in wrong. Don't make a calculator mistake. That will end up costing you points. Times $21.99, not $2.99. That's wrong. 18 times $21.99. There you go. It's going to cost me $395.82 for wallpaper. Okay, so that part's done. We're going to come back here. We took care of that one. We took care of that one. Okay, cost to hang wallpaper. I'm going to be right here. It says cost to hang is $16 per roll. So that's pretty easy. I have 18 rolls times $16. So I can put that one right on my chart. Oh, just kidding. Oh, right here. 18 rolls. Cost is 18 times $16. So 18 times 16, it's going to cost me $288 to hang wallpaper. Now let's find out what the paste is going to cost. So if we come back up here, paste. Right here, Roman numeral 5. 1 quart needed for every 4 rolls of wallpaper. So 1 quart for every 4 rolls means I need X quarts for, in my case, 18 rolls. So we're gonna cross multiply. This guy goes that way, this guy goes that way. So 4x equals 18. Divide by 4, divide by 4. I'm gonna get a decimal again because I know my multiplication facts. I'm going to get 4.5 quarts. You cannot purchase partial quarts, so I need 5 quarts. And it tells me that they are $5. Come back to your table. My paste, I need 5 quarts. 5 quarts at $5. It's going to cost me $25 to do the paste. Okay, back up to the top here. We are done with letter A. We are now looking at letter B, the border around the top. Now, if you remember on assignment 7, you had a net. You had your ceiling, wall 1, your floor, wall 3, wall 2, wall 4. I may have 2 and 4 backwards, but you get the general idea. You had this net. Your linear foot, right here, 1 roll covers 20 linear feet. So you need to know the perimeter around your ceiling, but remember, your ceiling and floor are the same. So you are trying to calculate what is that distance, or what is that distance. They will be the same because we said we're pretending that our room is a box, so as to not get too concerned with strange and random shapes. So on mine, my longer sides were 20 feet 9 inches, or 20.75 feet. My shorter sides were 16 feet. So literally all you're doing is finding the perimeter of your ceiling or the perimeter of your floor, and you're going to add those 4 lengths together. So 16 plus 16 plus 20.75 plus 20.75. So 16 plus 16, stick it in a calculator. Don't make a silly mistake. I get a perimeter of 73.5 linear feet. And then it says that I need 1 roll only covers 20. So 1 roll is 20 linear feet. I need X rolls for 73.5 linear feet. Again, cross multiply, you get 20x equals 73.5. Divide by 20, divide by 20, and I need 3.675 rolls. Again, can't buy that, so I'm going to get 4 rolls of border. Fill that in down here. I need 4 rolls. And if you come back up to the top, it tells you that a roll cost $9.75. So 4 rolls times $9.75. You get $39. And then it says to hang the border. Well, I didn't read that far, so let's go see. We figured out the cost. The cost to hang is $5 per roll. Okay, so come back here. We have, sorry, turn my pen off. We have 4 rolls, and it's $5 per roll. The cost to hang that is $20. Okay. Then it asks you to find the total cost. So pretty straightforward. You're just going to take this row of numbers, or I guess this column of numbers, and you're going to add them together to see what the total cost of putting wallpaper in your room would be. Plus 39 plus 20. I got a real big number. It's going to cost me a whole lot to do this. It's going to cost me $767.82 to hang wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna erase this and start a second video to talk about how we calculate the cost of wall paneling. Be right back.